Everyone, my name is Oluwajoba from Jonaks Beauty. If you are new here, welcome. So good to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. Today I have this bridal inspired look for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Come along with me. Starting out with our brows, I'm going ahead to lightly fill them in with my LA Girl Shady Slim pencil. And I'm defining our brows with the LA Girl concealer. I went ahead to use the Plouise base shade 2 to prepare her lid for the eyeshadows that I'm going to apply on our eyes. Going in with a very soft brown eyeshadow as my transition color and then blending it in. I'm going in with a darker brown at the corner of her eyes just to further define the eyes. I'm going to keep blending these colors together in the proportion that I want it to be, and then once I'm satisfied with what I have, I'm then going to move on to the lid. For the lid, I'm using this really soft cream eyeshadow from a random palette. I'm just applying it really softly on her lid and find a way to blend it in to the brown color I originally applied, just to give it a seamless transition. Now I'm just going ahead to fix the lashes, and after fixing the lashes, I'm going to be lining her eyes. I'm using a pencil liner that I bought from Amazon. I'll leave the name of the pencil in the description box below. I'm using a disposable liner. I'm applying the Zaron gel liner in jars. I'm also applying this to her waterline. Now the eyes are done and we move to skin. Here I'm just moisturizing her face. I've cleaned her face previously. I'm moisturizing her face, and then I'll go on to apply a primer, and then I'm just spraying her face down with a face mist. For foundation, I'm using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Guys, I really like this foundation because it's full coverage and it blends really well on the skin. I'm going ahead to just blend it into her skin, and it's just the right match. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl concealer, and I'm just putting it on the high point of her face. I usually like to put complexion product on my hand before I apply it to the face because it warms it up and it gives it a better blend. Now I've blended the concealer and I'm setting her face with the Makeup Revolution setting powder in lace. I'm going to apply this powder all over her face and then apply just a bit more under her eyes. Using a random powder palette I got a while back, I'm using the lightest shade on that palette to bring back some warmth to her skin. And that's the face. Almost done. Now I'm just going in with a powder brush and a powder to dust off the excess powder that I initially put under her eyes, and to blend in the contour and the highlight and everything, just to bring the look all together. With a brown eyeshadow, I'm smudging under eye to give it this smoky effect. And I'm applying a bit more eyeshadow to the corner of her eyes. Now I'm applying mascara to her lashes, and I'm using the Zaron Volumnizing mascara. Now I'm just touching up on the brows just to make sure that everything is in place. Going in with the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, I'm just adding a bit of highlight on the high points of her face. To fill the lip, I'm going in with a Zaron brown pencil. I'm going to leave the name of every product in the description box below, so please check it out. I'm just using the brush here to further blend in the pencil that I initially used on my lips, and then I'll go in with the Milani lip stain. So here is the final look, guys. I hope you like it as much as she did.
Check your face. Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow! Oh.
I hope you like it.
Yes, I really do. I look like some celebrity.
Here are some of the pictures from the shoot. Please leave a comment down and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Jesus loves you.